Well, hi there pluckers, Ivor Sawfingers again with you, hopefully another interesting couple of lessons. This is part one of some lessons on Brothers in Arms from Dire Straits. This is a single acoustic guitar version, okay, using mainly a pick, not using the finger picking method, okay. Standard tuning, but with a capo on fret 4, puts this into the same key as the original version from Dire Straits, okay. So this is purely about the intro, okay. Part 2 will be the rest of the song, okay. So let's start on the 5th string and a slide from 1 to 2 on the 5th string, then flatten that finger down so you're fretting the 2nd fret of the 4th string, and then put your 3rd finger up to the 4th fret on the 4th string, the D string. So you got, okay, got that? And then we play an E minor. And then we do another slide from 2 to 4 on the 4th string to a C chord. So far. Back to the E minor, and then back to the C. Okay, so very slowly. As far as we've got. Then we've got this little bit. Right, what that is 2 to 4, slide on the 4th string, the D string. Open 3rd, 2nd on the 3rd, open 3rd, back to the 4th on the 4th, and then we do a pull off 2nd on the 4th to open, and then back, and then we play a C chord. So okay, so this bit is repeat that. So 2 to 4 slide on the D string, open 3rd, 2nd on the 3rd, open 3rd, 4th on the 4th, pull off from 2 to open on the 4th, and then the C chord, 5 downwards. So far. Then what we do after that is we basically just keep fretting on the 2nd on the 4th, take these from the C chord, take the other 2 fingers away, and you play 4, 3, 2. That's an open 3rd and an open 2nd. 2nd on the 4th, open 3rd, open 2nd, and then an A minor strum. So far we got this very slowly. As far as we got. After a little mini pause on that, we do another little bit that goes. Okay, and that is a slide from 2 to 4 on the 3rd. Right, just a single slide there. 2 to 4 on the 3rd, to the 2nd on the 3rd, open 3rd, 4th on the 4th. Then we do, so that's. Then down to the 2nd on the 4th, and you do a pull off and then back on again. Hammer back on the 2nd on the 4th. Pull 2 to open and then back to 2nd on the 4th. So now you've got. Then up to the 4th on the 4th, and then to the C chord again. So that's and that's speed. So you hammer up to that second on fourth on the fourth with your third. So far now we've got this. So as we got, then we go down to the A minor. So if you got to the A minor, and then there's a quick C, D, E minor. So far. Then we do that slide from 2 to 4 on the D string again, after you turn to that C chord, and then back to the E minor. And that's my take on the intro for Dire Straits' Brother in Arms, okay, for a single acoustic. Okay, so let's just go through that again very slowly, and then we'll play that sort of normal speed slowly. Forgotten where we I forgot where we were then. Okay, sorry about that. Let's try that again. Play it very slowly for you. Okay, boys and girls, hopefully that will make sense to you, and just play it a little bit faster and you've got it. Okay, so there you have it, and I'll see you in part 2 for the rest of the song. Bye for now.